My dear friends, my dear masters and my dear gods, this is our headquarters, international headquarters. So we have to cater to international standards. That is our idea. Whoever comes here must be given best accommodation, best food, must see that he or she is totally satisfied. Then they will go and speak of the Pyramid Valley. That good word has to go. The other day, Buddha Purnima was celebrated, 10,000 people. That would be a norm from now onwards. So many people are going to come. We are going not to negate anybody who comes. We have to accommodate them. We wish that this meditation center become an inspiration to all the people there, all over India. People come here to look for inspiration, and we provide that. By next year, this project should be completed.
And we are all wanting it very soon. Very soon. Next year by Buddha Purnami, I hope everybody stays in rooms.
This is going to be our first phase, 50 rooms. Our whole idea is to go up to 200 rooms. I'm sure we'll see it, the building now by next Buddha Purnima. Thank you.